Hey everyone, we have got a new version out now for VoiceInk version 1.52 with support for the Parakeet V3 model and tons of other improvements. We'll talk about all of these one by one. The first thing that we need to talk about is the Parakeet V3 model. This is successor to the Parakeet V2 with similar accuracy and similar performance for English model but with support for tons of other languages. These are the languages that are supported currently. And the Parakeet model, unlike Whisper model, does not give you the ability to specify what language you are speaking on right now. So it will automatically detect based on the audio and use that language. To use the Parakeet model, you'll need to download the Parakeet V3 model. Previously, it was just Parakeet, so that won't be available. You can download it, and after downloading it, you can start using it by setting it as a default. Now, I can't speak these European languages that are described over here, but if you can use it. Insanely fast performance and very good accuracy as well, and couple it with AI enhancement, and you get almost perfect transcription. You will also have a leftover of the previous B2 model. If you want to delete it, you can just click on show in Finder and delete the V2 Core ML folder. Let's talk about the second update, that is added support for Gemini 2.5 Pro and Plus transcription model. And I really loved these models because of their multilingual capabilities. I had not tried them previously, but one thing that I really loved is that they are able to transcribe my audio even when I'm speaking in multiple different languages accurately. I've tried it with three languages, but it did not succeed properly with three languages. But I tried it with two languages and it worked perfectly. Let me show you an example. So you'll need to go to cloud and add an API key for Gemini model. So I'll just set it as default over here for Gemini 2.5 Pro. And let me start recording. Right now, I'm speaking in English. I can speak three languages: my mother tongue, Nepali, Hindi, and English. So I was talking in two languages right now. One was Nepali and other was English, as you know. And you can see the transcription has failed over here. API returned an empty or invalid response. I'll just try the transcription. And you can see here when I retried the transcription with the Gemini 2.5 Pro model, here the transcript is in English languages because I was talking in English. And here, the moment I started speaking in Nepali, it is transcribing in Nepali. And it is almost 100% right. Not almost, it's 100% right. And it's really good to see how Nepali language, the language which is spoken very less, and there might not be much data about Nepali language, but I would not suggest using Gemini 2.5 model on day-to-day tasks because it has a big latency. You can see here, for just transcribing 19 seconds of audio, it took around 5 seconds. The Parakeet model now can do it under half a second. So it doesn't make any sense if you are not speaking in multiple languages or you do not need this particular feature. Let's talk about the other updates. We have added an option in the menu bar to retry the last transcription. Previously, you could only do it from the history. Now you can directly do it from the menu bar. Oh, wait, I think I need to add an option to quickly switch the AI model as well, like the transcription model. Currently, you can switch the enhancement model, but not the AI. I'll just add it to the backlog. Okay. And some of the other improvements are done to the default prompts. And the next big improvement is adding support for dictionary items directly through AI enhancement. Previously, the dictionary words were supported only by the local whisper models. But since we introduced Parakeet model, and in the future also many new models will appear, and now all of these transcript items are automatically sent through AI enhancement. This will only work if you enable AI enhancement, but the word replacement will work independent of AI enhancement. So I can show you an example. You can see here are some of the dictionary words that I have added. Now, previously, it would not understand VoiceInk or Cerebrus or Quen or voice like Kimiketu, etc. But now, since we added dictionary items, it will be more reliable. Hi, right now I'm using VoiceInk application powered with AI integration, AI enhancement from Cerebrus, and I'm using the Kimi K2 model. It's really good and really fast. Sometimes I switch between Quen model from Grok, other times I prefer using Kimi K2. So I'm just talking based on the dictionary items over here. But I love the GPT OSS model. If you are looking for recommendation, I would definitely recommend the GPT OSS 120B model. It is really good at instructions following, or you can also try it from Cerebrus. But recently, Cerebrus has got a lot popular, and maybe a lot of people are flocking towards Cerebrus. So it does not work reliably. So I mostly prefer using Grok. Let's see the transcript history, and you can see here, okay, the result from the initial transcription. Like it is writing VOIC, I can say C, right? And Cerebrus is not getting it correct. It's BRAS, and Kimiketu, it is also not getting it right. Grok, no. Kimiketu is still wrong. Quen, still wrong. Now passing it through AI enhancement, you can see it is getting VoiceInk correct, Cerebrus correct, Kimiketu, Quen correct, Grok correct, and Kimiketu again correct. You can see how the magic is always in the post processing. The transcription model will always get some kind of error, so it is in your hand to use the AI enhancement, tweak it little bit, add proper dictionary words, use a proper enhancement prompt, and then refine it based on your personal experience. So this is another big update in version 1.52 that I guess you will love very much, because this will increase the accuracy of the transcript. As you could see here, how much improvements it was over here. This is almost unusable because of these technical terms that are recently introduced, and a transcription model do not have the training data for these words. But since we are passing it through AI enhancement and adding dictionary words, it is configured to get it correct. So this is all for this video. I hope you are loving using VoiceInk. If you have any issues or feedback, feel free to send me an email. If you have any ideas, box or feature request, you can directly send me an email through the email link given over here, or you can join our Discord with tons of community members sharing their ideas and report the box or feedbacks over there as well. So I hope you have a great time. See you again in the next video. Bye. Hey everyone.